German venison goulash is one of the most popular dishes served during hunting season here in Germany. This aromatic and tender meat is easy and quick to prepare, especially when cooking food for a larger party. First, we will fry the meat until brown. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot. After the beef turns brown from each side, take it out and fry the onions in the same pot on medium heat until translucent. Add more butter if there is no fat left in the pan. Then add tomato puree and fry for 1 minute. After this, add the wine and let the alcohol evaporate. That should take around 2 to 3 minutes. Add the meat back to the Dutch oven and pour the game fond all over it. If you don't have a game fond or stock, use a beef one. Stir in juniper berries, cloves, thyme and peppercorns if using. Cover with a lid and simmer on a low heat for 2 hours. Remove the lid and simmer the goulash for another 30 minutes to thicken the gravy, or use mondemien or starch. After all those steps, you can season the goulash with salt, pepper and sugar if you like. There are plenty of side dishes that you can choose for this goulash. My favorite ones are hazelnut spätzle, lingonberries and side salad. But if you are looking for more inspiration, head to written recipe on my blog. I wish you a lovely day and thanks for watching.